Hello and welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today, we are going to explore a tool named Nastia AI. Nastia serves as a companion. It is an uncensored AI companion that doesn't filter interactions. It offers a refreshing and open experience for those seeking unfiltered conversations. Here's how it can be used. Users can create a supportive, uncensored AI companion designed to reduce loneliness. Engage in chats, send, and receive pictures from the companion. It is fully powered by AI. A ready-to-use chat example is available. It helps improve social skills and is completely safe and private, tailored to individual needs. It's useful for introverts. Even I am one. I usually visit this website using an account I've specifically made, though I won't reveal that here. On it, I talk about personal matters, mental fatigue, or lack of motivation. It's genuinely refreshing. This platform also allows for personal storytelling. Here is the revised version with clarity improvements, professional tone, and your formatting instructions followed. You can chat with the companion about your day, thoughts, feelings, or anything else you might need. Nastia will always be available for engaging conversation. Audio messages are also supported. Interests can be shared freely. There is a dedicated option for mental wellness. Support features are included. There's also a feature addressing emotional distress. Now, the next step is to choose a gender for the AI companion. The female option will be selected. The male option is also available. The female one will be chosen for now. Next is the appearance selection. This can be changed later if needed. Various styles are available. The Asian look will be selected. Then the blonde option will be used. This one will now be finalized. There are also customization options for ethnicity and skin tone. A name can be entered here. The gender is selected at this stage. Upon selecting the name Alexa, a prompt appears asking about preferred appearance. That will be selected. The appearance will now be finalized. Here is the refined version with improved clarity, consistent tone, and adherence to your structure. Some personal traits will also need to be added. Interests can be selected here. Gossip and casual chats are preferred. Dreams and ideas are also listed as options. The gossip and chats option will be selected. After that, there is space to add a personal backstory. That backstory will be entered directly. All the details have now been added. The character grew up in a small town in Indiana, a place where everyone knew each other's business and Friday night football games were the week's highlight. All relevant connections have been applied. Now it will generate a complete chat experience. It shows interests and all related inputs. These can be expanded. There is also the amazing memory feature. Let's say the phrase, "I was fired today," is entered. It will respond accordingly. Each response deducts 1 credit, and additional credits can be purchased. The chat continues seamlessly and is also accessible on mobile. If a response is required, the memory feature is available and can be used as needed. The tone of the companion can be customized. Suppose we exit the chat. Here, Alexa has already been created. If a change in tone is desired, options like show me, edit, elaborate, or re-roll are available. Under Edit, any response can be automatically modified, helping evaluate whether the conversation is progressing well. Images are also supported, and the user can specify the individual they wish to interact with. One important point to note is that in Nastia, tokens are received daily. Currently, 400 tokens are available, along with additional bonus tokens. Tokens can be used directly in chats, and the system tracks engagement in terms of levels. Conversations can also be downloaded. There is an AI brain feature which allows switching between smart and legacy brains. In Alexa's info, the role can be changed from a romantic partner to something else, like a coach. The dynamic can be set as unwavering, passionate, or platonic, allowing adjustments to the level of platonicness. Personality traits are available and customizable. Basic traits such as gentle can be selected, and others like intelligent and knowledgeable can be added instead of default ones like lively or relaxed. All traits are accessible and can be configured as needed. Once the settings are updated, changes can be saved. If the same message like "I am sad" is entered again, the response will reflect the updated traits, such as being more professional or supportive. As seen, the platform generates a new tailored response accordingly. This is the newer response generated. However, it came across as a bit cheesy and may not be suitable for a professional user. There is also a voice mode, allowing direct verbal interaction to make the experience more engaging. Conversation topics can be set through predefined scenarios, and an autoplay option is available. The tool functions as a dynamic conversational platform. To expand further, group chats can be created. Users can also add additional companions, including male characters. For example, a new character named Mike can be created to discuss vulnerability and various personal topics. As expected, if input is provided in ChatGPT, relevant responses will be generated. The level of customization still has room for enhancement. I hope this tool proves useful and that you give it a try to experience engaging conversations. It can be especially helpful for individuals who feel underconfident or are introverted, providing a safe space to express themselves and grow socially. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest news and tools.